This video is supported by NordVPN. This video was supported by NordVPN. Usually when accessing the internet, you begin by connecting to your internet service provider, which directs you to the pages you want to visit. All of your internet traffic passes through your ISP's servers, which means they can record everything you do online and give your history to companies for advertising as well as other third parties. VPNs redirect your internet connection through remote servers from the VPN provider. This way, the server becomes a secure platform for accessing websites online. So why NordVPN? NordVPN doesn't just make you anonymous while browsing the internet from home, it still protects your data while traveling and while using public internet connection. It also doubly encrypts your data to minimize the possibility of it being stolen, and features a CyberSec option which acts as an ad blocker, so you can navigate the internet without those flashy ads that get in the way. And it's all done from over 5,500 servers in 60 countries around the world, while logging none of your data, and comes with 24/7 customer support. On top of that, you can connect up to 6 devices to the VPN simultaneously. For all these reasons, NordVPN was selected as the best VPN from 2019 by one of the most trusted experts, VPN Mental. So if you want to take your internet security to the next level, as well as supporting these videos at the same time, use the link nordvpn.com/harryyvet in the description and use the code harryyvet to get 70% off a 3-year plan of NordVPN, with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching.